Huh, you're turning against me? Now pay with the life I gave you. Hey gang, today I stranded on a cursed sushi island. Why is it cursed, you wonder? How about you ask that ghost over there? But no worries, I watched a lot of spook chases when I was little. You approach that demon with caution and then you nuke it to Oblivion. Get wrecked again. Because it died again. But that's not the point of the game. While your character can fight on their own, you are supposed to create your own little army of monsters with different abilities and types. All you need to have is a little bit of essence and you're good to go.
Why isn't it possible?
It's just not.
Why not, you stupid?
Depending on your skills, the AI will decide if they are hostile or friendly towards you. And you are as well free to choose how you want to interact with those NPCs. As always, you'll find more information about the game in the comments and description of this video. Until then, see ya. But none of this matters to you, of course. Because you are dead.